All right, welcome back, traders, for another edition of your daily live stream here. Mr. Know-It-All here, your host. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful day here. We have a bit of, a bit of sideways action right now in the Bitcoin markets. Bitcoin in a falling structure though, a nice bullish pennant that Bitcoin's in. ADA obviously in a nice little wedge here. We caught a little bit of this breakout here in the alerts chat last night. We identified this bottom here. Okay, this was a nice little bottom to find. We caught this little breakout. Is now basically back testing the breakout. So another potential good opportunity if this holds up. All right, this holds up here. We're talking about a major move on Cardano. All right, we just want to see this higher low being made again. We can make another higher low here, guys. This would be confirmation for a continuation. Okay, right? We'd have three rising valleys, right? Continuation out of the falling wedge structure here on Cardano. So Cardano looking nice. All right, we're gonna look at Bitcoin real quick. How's the music? Is everything okay? Is it too loud? Are we good? What do we look? How are we doing on that? XRP. Yeah, we'll check out XRP. There's gonna be some big news soon, I'm sure. Anyways, guys, here's Bitcoin right now in this nice flag pattern. All right, just downsloping consolidation. This is good. This is healthy. This is what we want to see. All right, after a major impulse up, still looking good, man. I'm not by any means bearish on Bitcoin. It doesn't mean we can't trade in a range for a while. We could just do this for a while, before we end up maybe breaking out. We might even come all the way back down to 50K, and that's fine, as long as we just downslope and consolidate for a while. All right, but the focus here really shouldn't be Bitcoin too much. I think we're actually going to be going into altcoin season here very shortly. If we look at the total 2 again versus total, we'll get to XRP here in a second. I just wanted to identify for you guys what's happening here. All right, well, I guess before it was looking a little bit better, but the daily's still looking okay. So we're getting close, guys. We're getting close to this neckline again, all right? And Stoics are pointed up here. I guess we are showing some divergence again. Oh, this is close, man. This is close. All right, but typically this is a bullish looking structure. Okay, we're gonna look at Lincoln GRT. Yep, we'll look at Lincoln GRT and XRP here in a second. All right. So the weekly here still looks pretty intact, right? We just held this 382 fib extension and kind of pivoted here on the weekly. The week isn't over yet. I'm hoping we can get a close above the 0.39 area. That would be pretty bullish for the altcoins. All right. Anyways, let's get to XRP. Still in the cup and handle pattern. Okay, still in it. We're just consolidating here. We're just chilling here. We might come back down one more time. All right, we might do this. Might come back down one more time, 49, and then go. All right. But in my opinion, the structure is still intact. Nothing is broken as of yet. We did make a lower high here, all right, but like I said, we could come back down, test this 49.50 cent area before we break out of here. XRP is still looking good. GRT. Yeah, GRT did break down here initially because of, I think Bitcoin was breaking down here the other day. So it did break down out of this triangle. And, well, it just looks like it may be consolidating here. We're going to look at ETH as well here in a second, Annie. No problem. All right. So GRT came down to this bottom here and sprung off the support. Kind of got a weak spring, to be honest. This doesn't look too good. Doesn't look the best, I should say. You know, that 160 area is the area to break back above for GRT. But if we can do it, if we can hold it and consolidate here, which it looks like we might do, we're making potentially a higher low here. All right. If we can break back above that 160 area, we can break back into the pattern, and we can make a nice breakout. Okay. We'll look at Link. So Link we didn't quite get this move up here yesterday. We were talking about this spring potential here. We didn't get it. We actually broke below the parabola, got back above the parabola, and now we're you know, back below it here briefly. So just kind of teetering right now in the range. All right. So the 4 hour, I mean, we're just here. You can see we're literally right at it. So on the 4 hour, pretty critical. We are showing the signs of hidden bullish divergence here on the 4 hour for Link. But I think we can see continuation higher on Link here on the 4 hour. All right. So it's all a matter of us breaking back above this parabola structure here to get back into the major pattern. All right. ETH, look at ETH, sure. So ETH's still holding this this pattern here, this upsloping trend line. We have the supply line here, and we have this local downsloping trend line that we're also holding. So again, we got to break back above this 1750 area for ETH. Once we do that, I think we can easily get back to the top of the range and maybe even break out of the range. All right. 4 hour also looking still pretty bullish. Hey, Annie, thank you so much for the $20 super chat, or 20 British pound super chat, or wherever that is, euros. Thank you so much for that. Really do appreciate it. Alrighty. The daily on ETH looks really good too. We're just about to sort of cross up here on the Stokes. Okay, looks like we have lots of room to run if we can run on the 4 hour. All right. What else are we missing here? Quant stamp. Quant stamp broke out, man. See, we got the breakout here on Quant stamp, on the inverse head and shoulders pattern that we called out. We're going to check out VeChain and Enjin here in a second, man. So the daily here on Quantstamp looks like maybe just a resting bar candle. All right, so we're just kind of chilling. As long as you don't break this previous day's gains, I would say we could see a 3-bar play, which is a continuation pattern, right? Or continuation candle. Okay, looking pretty good here on Quantstamp. Let's look at QTUM. QTUM was actually a call out in the group, guys. I'm not sure if you guys are part of the group, but we call this out, this nice parabola structure here. We call this back here on March 19th. I want to show you guys in the Discord when we call this out. Okay. I think this was on the 19th actually when I started drawing that. Here's the QTUM call out. On the 18th, we called it around $6.35, right at this major resistance area here. Nice parabola structure, and I have a measured move up to about $12.30, and maybe even on up to that $20 range longer term. All right. If you guys haven't done so already, make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and tick the little bell, guys. We are trying to give you guys as much updates as we can on this market, on these patterns, on these setups. This is all happening right now live for you guys. So make sure you guys also check out, if you guys are interested, the SAR competition is going on right now. You guys are eligible to win some prizes. Definitely check it out in the Discord. We will check out Raven and ARDR here in a second, and VeChain and Enjin coin. And what I also wanted to show you guys was some of the gains here that is happening for these SAR bots. Okay, like, check this out, guys. So STP Todd here posting his gains for everybody. In about a week, he's made $3,000 on the SAR bot, guys. This is the SAR indicator that we offer for $3.97 a month. Definitely check it out. Head on over to swingtradepros.com. He started as a 10K account. He's made $5,000 already on it in basically I don't know, I guess a couple weeks, like 3-4 weeks. All right, so make sure you guys check that out. That's huge ROI on the bots. Okay, we're gonna check out VeChain here. Guys, I think I've covered this over and over again. I mean, the target here is 9.5. Once we get above that, we're looking at 17 cents. All right, and like the measured move is all the way up to 53 cents on the entire range break. All right, so this could take some time to get up to these targets, but just know that these are the targets and they're not going anywhere. They're still the targets. All right, Enjin coin. Same thing. We actually call this to maybe have a nice little falling wedge breakout, which is what we're getting right now on Enjin coin. We actually drew this out, I think it was yesterday or the day before, where we said we're in a nice downslope and consolidation pattern here. I said it's possible we could come down to these levels here, but it looks like we got a nice pivot double bottom here on this $2 area and got a nice push up. All right. Raven in RDR, or ARDR, all right, Raven. See what Raven looking like these days. Yeah, Raven. All right, so Raven, since the breakout of 923%, guys. That's the range that we're looking on Raven long term, guys. Long term. Not going to happen tomorrow. Not going to happen in a month. This could take 6 months to a year. It could take longer. We're looking at 85 cents. All right. Your next real major target here on Raven, if you don't get a pullback, is that 35-cent area once you get above this 22-cent area, all right? Check out Reef. Yeah, we can. And not really too much happening on this chart right now. It's a very new asset. See what's happening. Okay, so Reef, maybe we get one more back test of this support area here, or we can maybe hold this area and can you explain the reason you are doing the things you are doing? What things do you ask? What things are you referring to? Am I out of VPN or something right now? Why am I lagging out? I think I am. Why don't I use BTC pairs? Because BTC pairs, guys, are kind of risky to trade. All right, because if Bitcoin has a sudden move, it's going to really have a huge impact on the BTC pair. We're not entering a trade right now. No, I'm no longer actually doing live trades on YouTube, on Binance, especially because of what's been going on with the crackdown on Binance. All right, but what's the purpose of the fib and trend line? So the trend lines represent you know, a supply line and a demand line. Okay, you can learn all this stuff, guys, in the group session classes that I do offer every Sunday at 11 a.m. Eastern. Okay, make sure you guys check that out and sign up today. If you guys are new to trading, even if you're not new to trading, you're intermediate or anything. Okay, check it out. The group coaching session technical analysis here is $27 for the hour. Yep, Luca, I teach all of that stuff in my group session. All right, so I can go through all that there. Make sure you join the Discord. Check it out. All right. Can you explain the? So what other coins we got here? Alice and DREP. What's DREP? Is that okay? I got it. DRP going parabolic looks like here, Annie. Right, we can kind of see it. I mean, maybe better suited from here, but this is like pretty much straight up. Okay. I still think trading the dollar pairs, you'll still have you know, be able to take your profits and buy more Bitcoin with it. And just continue to do that. You're trying to accumulate more Bitcoin that way. So, Annie, here you go. You're getting the back test on the 1618 fib extension right now on the daily time scale. Looks like you're pivoting there, right? You got some nice bounce here. Right, you're starting to make higher lows again on the hourly. Right, you can see this nice downslope and consolidation happening. The 15-minute is implying price action to the upside. We could easily see 2.5 cents again here shortly on this asset. Okay. All right, what else did I miss here? Alice. It looks like maybe it made a nice recovery here, put a nice bottom in. Well, again, not really too much chart data on this asset. Pretty new asset. But we can maybe do some fibbing from here on this recent local bottom we put in. Gonna probably ignore this scam wick here because that was when it got listed. So yeah, again, not really too much data to chart on here, but from what we do have, we have a downslope and consolidation. The 4 hour is looking okay. We touch the supply line. We could be pulling back here a bit. All right. maybe a partial decline. Maybe we can round out here and head back out if we can maybe round a bottom here and then continue out, right? So something like that. Sure, BNB. Still in the pattern. Still in the triangle. All right. Still in the flag. Getting tight now. What's going on, Moto Mayhem? Still in the pattern here on BNB. I still think we can probably get this breakout here shortly, soon maybe. We could break down maybe one more time and then go. You know, sometimes these patterns, you know, when they get tight like this, depends on what's, you know, how the price action comes in. But right now we're implying this price action to go higher. You can see the hidden bullish divergence here, and the momentum starting to shift back up. Okay, on the 4 hour. Yeah, we can look at Sia coin. Oh, Sia coin. Just back testing, right? Back testing the previous all-time high. Getting this back test right now on Sia. See how it came down perfectly here on the daily. Right, we're sort of kind of just consolidating here right now. You can look at IOTA after this, sure. So here's your Sia coin. You know, descending, broadening pattern. And we could come back down one more time to test this. Right, maybe make a partial decline, one more. Build that bullish divergence up and then break out of it, right? So that's helpful. Cardano, yeah, we just covered it. What else you guys got? Oh, OAX, I missed that one. Let's look at OAX. Yeah, this one's about to blow, man. Look at this. Right at a major neckline. The very familiar pattern that we've been charting over and over again, guys. Can you guys tell me what this pattern is? Tell me what this pattern is, guys. Come on. You guys watch me every day now. I do trade myself, yeah, but I am a long-term swing trader. I don't really mess with the scalp trades too much. Yes, sir. Just having a go. That's it. Moto Mayhem. Good job, guys. Good job. Good job. Good job. Inverse dandruff shampoo. Excellent. Excellent. Yep. Sukarized. It's actually an inverse head and shoulder. Well, Dolkowski goes by head and shoulders bottoms, okay? But I like to just call it inverse head and shoulders pattern. All right. And yeah, we are looking at a major move, right? We're looking at about a 700%, 700% measured move once this neckline is broken, guys. That's a serious move. Last time we had one of these serious moves, it was Storage Coin, and it was spoken on, I think, the 2 days before it got listed onto Coinbase, right? Come on. All right. Ryan, I don't know what you said, but I'm sure it wasn't anything serious. Our Nightbot's just kind of a little sensitive. Wobby BTC, sure. You can look at it. Wrecked. That's all I have to say is wrecked. I mean, look at this thing. It's like, you really want to trade this thing, man? What would possess you to trade this? This looks terrible. I'm just saying. Can we get a, you know, a rounded bottom here? Yeah, we can. Sure, it can happen. I just wouldn't want to waste my time trading this personally. But I'll do some TA on it for you. Looks terrible. Absolutely terrible. All right. Like the parabola can't even it's so wrecked the parabolas can't even show you what's happening here. But yeah, the weekly is showing maybe some divergence here on the MACD oscillator. All right, we could see a major move from it. All right, I'm not disputing that we can't. I just personally don't trade BTC pairs, especially ones that look like that. In general, I don't trade them at all. So, but yeah, you know, we were talking about resistance up here on the weekly, resistance down here on the weekly. There's a curve tool here on the trading view, okay? Just use the curve tool. All right. Yeah, so I mean, if you do get a move up to 1,000 Satoshis, it's pretty much maybe where you'll go. That's a local resistance right now. There's no real particular pattern. It just looks like a bunch of nonsense, destroyed coin right now. Oh, crypto pants, sorry about that. What else we got, guys? How about we look at some traditional assets like, how about Carnival Cruise Lines? I don't know. So Carnival looks like it's, you know, set up to maybe move higher here. Now we got that bottom, double bottom here, right? Another one is Rocket. I'm actually in a trade on Rocket right now. Right, so we got this nice parabola structure here that we've been respecting. We had this crazy short squeeze that happened, kind of a fake breakout. Now we're in this nice little falling wedge structure. You know, we can go back to ADA, sure. We covered it earlier, man, but basically we got a little bit of a breakout. We're back testing it right now. And we want to see this hold. We want to see us make a higher hourly low and 4 hourly low, and basically we're just maybe trying to put a bottom in here. Okay. That's what it looks like. What it looks like. It's not confirmed yet, though. Okay. You guys got anything else for me today? Kind of a quiet chat today, guys. Where are you guys? Ryan, what do you mean you've been trying to pay me? You can send crypto. What are my insights to use the USDT profits to accumulate Bitcoin? Well, I mean, just like buying with dollars, right? So when you see dips, first $1, that's how you can accumulate. EOS, yeah, we can look at EOS. Stellar, look at Stellar, yeah. EOS looks like it's rounding out, right? Douche, what about the Binance Smart Chain address there? Yeah, EOS about to break out. Right, you guys see that? Yeah, once you break this, you're looking at about a move right back to the all-time highs. This could take a couple months though, man. But you got these areas here you got to break above. No? Break above these levels. STMX, yeah, we'll take a look at it. Straight up. Might have put in a local top here. All right, you might end up pulling back down. Maybe consolidating in this range before moving up higher. We don't know what it's going to do, but we know that the RSI is already showing signs of exhaustion, buyer exhaustion on the hourly anyway. The 4 hour looks really good. All right, the 4 hour looks really good. All right, we can see that we had hidden bullish divergence, and it's playing out. We're up 20% right now. We'll probably continue higher, okay, based on the 4 hour time scale here. So we could probably come back up to test the top of this range. That's what it looks like. All right. So XLM. Still think XLM looking good. Last I checked was just consolidating, right? That's a cup pattern right there, man. That looks really nice. We're getting close to the touching the parabola. You know what's going to happen when we touch it. We're going to probably spring right off of it and make a nice rally. All right. I don't see why it wouldn't. You guys can see the volume receding, right? Big move is coming soon here on XLM, and in my opinion, it's gonna get, when it gets close enough to this parabola, and it might like touch down below it or touch below it a little bit and then go, right? Hey, the green crypto guy, thank you so much for joining the stream, and you take care of those kids, all right? Hopefully I'm helping you feed your kids. Make sure you guys smash that like button up, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and tick the little bell to get all the updates here at Swing Trade Pros. I've been trying to go live every day here at 12:30 p.m. Eastern for you guys. All right, just to cover the markets. But on waves, no, we can look at waves. That is one nice cup pattern, man. Okay. I mean, that's a long-term target. I don't know if we even get up there. That's just what the range is telling us. I would say you know, anywhere in this range probably for the upcoming altcoin season run. Have I already looked at ETH? Yeah, I briefly looked at it earlier. Yep. Moto Mayhem, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. They will come. They will come. Patience is a virtue in this business, you know? In any business, not just the YouTube business. All of it, you know? So make sure you guys check out the Discord, join the community, join the movement. Guys, we have people posting gains here every day using our products. All right. By the way, I am Mr. Know-It-All here in the channel, if you guys don't know that. We had a nice little call out here on ADA. The gentleman here, scalp trade, and even swing traded band here, posting some gains. You can see the SAR results here. This is real. Average profit per day, 1.18% per day. Here was an option call that I played on, was it Monday? It was a 78% gain. All right. We do stock options and crypto here at STP and bots. SRM, I'll take a look at it, Brando. Absolutely. FTM. We'll take a look at FTM here. We'll look at GSwap and FTM. Gotta go to ChartX Pro for this one, I think. Not really too much to chart here, man. This thing went completely parabolic. All right. Yeah, we can look at Doge, yep. Yeah, just respecting the parabola for now. You know, keep making higher highs and higher lows, you know. Just keep touching it, right? Just keep touching it. Maybe you go even more parabolic all the way. Right? Not really too much to chart here. I can't really project what this is going to do. I mean, as long as it's holding parabola, you're good, right? Look at FTM. FTM still in the wedge. Broke the lows though, okay? Broke these lows. Tesla and SPY not looking too good at all. We'll take a look at Tesla and SPY as well. So FTM made a low, made a slightly higher low. If we can make a third higher low, then we can maybe break out. Look out for that. Break these lows, watch out. We're probably going to go back down to the bottom of the wedge. Okay. Dogecoin. Still in the pattern here. Doge still in the pattern. Bounced off the demand line here. Be careful lev trading, man. Like, I don't really recommend people do that without lots and lots of trading experience. Okay. But yeah, Dogecoin looks like it might round out here towards this demand line again and maybe make a nice move up. Looks like it's rounding out here on the 15-minute. Okay. And we're going to look at SRM. That was another one to look at here. I don't have a Twitter, man. I need to make another Twitter account. Kind of just sideways consolidation here for SRM. But yeah, maybe getting close here. Oh, we can look at algo, bro. Sure. So, OMI. Yo, do you mean for OMI, just having a go, do you mean OMI SCO? Get back to you on that. We're going to look at Dash. And we're going to look at Algorand. Ecomai, never heard of it. Yeah, we'll take a look at it. Second. Now, this doesn't look too good right now. This kind of looks like maybe a descending triangle. All right, on Dash. The hourly pointed down. What that 4 hour looks like. Now we have some conflicting variables here. The 4 hour looks okay. Still in bearish territory though on the MACD oscillator here. And Stokes pointed up already. You know, maybe we have some bearish divergence here happening on the 4 hour as well for Dash. So we could maybe see one more drop down here for Dash, you know, to this next level. I mean, I don't know how far down we're going to go. Maybe 167. Okay, this support right here is going to be tested. This 187 area looks like it's going to be tested. Okay, for Dash. I don't know about Ecomi. I don't know if I can chart that, man. Yeah, Tesla and SPY. We'll get to that, and Algo. Algo first, and then Tesla, and SPY. Well, Algorand got back above the demand line, so that's good. Eric, what's going on, dude? So we're still holding these lows, right? Low, higher lows. No, we're not making higher highs just yet here on Algorand, right? Got these lower highs coming in. Yeah, it's just sideways, man. Sideways right now. Kind of sucks. We had this divergence that played out. We got a little pop up to like $1.18. We could just consolidate, man, for a while. I mean, we've gone on some major run ups already. Algorand. We could even get one more leg down if this rejects. We come back down to 88 even, and then go something like that. That can happen. So Tesla. So a failed break here on the inverse head and shoulders pattern. Coming back now to test these lows on the 4 hour here. Yeah, it looks like we're kind of rejected this neckline, and we're gonna maybe head back further down here on Tesla. Okay. So we're still looking at this area here. This low here is a possibility to come back to. Okay. And if we really shit the bed, then we're looking coming back down to 589 areas, okay? But yeah, I mean this low, these lows here, if they hold, we can make a double bottom potentially. You know, we don't really have any edges here on the oscillator right now either. We're actually showing some divergence here on the daily. right? Yeah, it doesn't look too good. It doesn't. Definitely doesn't. We didn't break the 4-hour lows though yet, so we hold this, we could still maybe consolidate here and try to rally out. But it's not clear just yet. It's not clear, and we're starting to print short signals here on the hourly. All right, on a SAR. Okay, and the SPY. SPY looks like it's kind of flat right now. These are still technically higher lows on the daily chart, though. All right, we're still above these technical candle body lows here. If we break these lows, then yeah, we can see some movements down for sure. I mean, we know we're pretty extended already, so you know. Go to the 4-hour, we can just see we're still in a nice downsloping consolidation pattern here. Okay, kind of just sideways. QMT, yeah, we can look at it. So yeah, we're probably SPY probably gonna head back down. You know, maybe trading this little pattern before we break out, or we could even break down, guys. These don't always need to break up. We could just break down. All right. Because the DXY is looking kind of strong right now. Right. All right, yeah, Zen. Ooh, we had a scam wick up to 60 bucks. It tried to break out. It failed to break out. Kind of on the cusp here, right? You're still holding this demand line barely. On the 4-hour, you know, the Stokes are pointed up here, but kind of got rejected here at the median trend line, and well, you didn't actually come out of this negative momentum just yet on the 4-hour. But we were implying that bullish divergence. I think it played out a little bit, got this little move up, and kind of got rejected here. So could be it for that move, you know. Could come further down, is what I'm saying. We could come further down again. QMT BTC. Now this looks okay. Like it's definitely in a nice consolidation pattern. Looks okay. Long term here. Maybe have a nice little ascending triangle being respected here on the weekly. And this higher low being made here is nice. You might be able to get a breakout. Possible. Possibility is there. Right, the 3-day chart does look nice. Stokes are nice and pointed up. And MACD is in bullish territory here on the 3-day chart. This looks nice. This looks nice. See if you can come out of that negative momentum and start making a push. Looks alright. That looks not bad for BTC pair. CVC, sure. Return this. Yep. Still nicely, nice ascending triangle, guys. This looks nice. Hasn't even broke out yet. Make sure you guys smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and tick the little bell, guys. Join the Discord, join the movement. Invest in yourselves today, guys. Come on. Got the real-time trading indicators you guys can trial out in the Discord. The stock options and crypto alerts. You guys know that I'm pretty on point with the TA and the analysis here and the trade setups. The SARBOT indicator we just showed you guys. Folks are earning anywhere from 2 to 6% a day with this indicator on the bots. We have a trading competition going on right now with the bots. Definitely check it out. All right. Join the Discord. Join the SAR competition area. They are live already with the competition, but you guys can still earn a $50 Amazon gift card, 1 month of STP free alerts, and access to 2 group coaching sessions. All right. All right, we've been live for almost 1 hour, guys. Thank you guys so much for your time. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you guys smash the like button up on your way out. Hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel and you like the content here. And smash that bell to get all the updates here. All right, guys? We got time for a couple more tickers if you guys want to throw them in the chat. Here's our PancakeSwap breakout trade we had. Called this out at $10.45. Got a nice breakout here today. Was it Harmony? Harmony's just been on a run, man. This thing just doesn't stop. We're still targeting that 24-cent area for this asset. LTC, yeah, let's take a look at LTC. I mean, if it's not on TradingView, I don't know how I'm going to chart it unless I can use ChartX Pro. All right. Litecoin looks not so bad. Maybe we get one more test of the demand line before a rally. Looks like we might get some pullback here on the 4-hour, right? But if we go to like the daily, daily's at the bottom, right? So this looks pretty good on the daily. Could be putting in a double bottom. Looks good. It looks okay. Still on track for the longer term targets here for Litecoin. All right, we had this nice bullish pennant breakout we had back here in December. Broke out of it. We're projecting all the way up to maybe $2,200 Litecoin towards the end of the run. Okay. Polls. It didn't quite break out of my flag. Actually, kind of broke down a bit when I last drew this. All right, that happens. So we could be in more of like a, falling channel, right? So we could be pushing again, or maybe coming back down to touch the heart line and maybe then break out. And maybe we could get a little push up and then a back test again before we run. Okay. Something like that. XRP we covered, but we can look at it one more time here before I run. Still in the pattern, man. Still in the pattern. We could get, like I said before, we could get one more back test if I run this 50-cent area before we really take off. All right. All right, guys. Hopefully it's been helpful. Hopefully it's informative, and you guys really appreciate the content here at Swing Trade Pros. I'm trying to go live for you guys daily if I can. I know there's a lot of uncertainty in the markets right now, and people don't know what's going on. So I'm here to try to help you guys stay at ease and stay on target. All right. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, take the little bell, join the Discord, join the movement, invest in yourself today. We have a few products you guys can try out. Definitely join and check out what we got going on. There's lots of social proof in the channel, lots of people profiting, lots of people making money. Definitely check it out. I'm on Discord a lot, hanging out sometimes in the music channel, just going through charts with people, and just giving you guys my brain. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow. Until then, talk to you then.